Lovely people, how are you guys doing? I welcome you all to Soul Tarot. Please have a look at all the signs reading element wise we've done air, water, fire, earth. प्लीज़ ज़रूर देखिए, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करिए. मेरी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है. काइंडली हैव अ लुक. अभी हम करने जा रहे हैं आपकी करंट एनर्जी नेक्स्ट 48 आवर्स. व्हाट यू नीड टू सी. डिवाइन फेमिनिन, डिवाइन मैस्कुलिन एनर्जी, करंट एनर्जीज, सपोर्टिंग एनर्जीज, 48 आवर्स. आपका मैसेज, उनकी फीलिंग्स, आपकी फीलिंग, जिस तरह से भी ये रीडिंग आपसे रेजोनेट करे, ये रीडिंग आपके लिए है. जब भी टाइटल अट्रैक्ट करता है आपके लिए है. सो देर इज नो क्लॉक इन द यूनिवर्स, राइट. सो जब भी ये अट्रैक्ट करती है रीडिंग आपको, तो ऑब्वियसली इस रीडिंग में आपके लिए कुछ है. ओके, सो चलिए लेट्स सी व्हाट यू नीड टू सी. So I'll be giving you your relationship message, ठीक है. I'll be giving you your energies as to what you really need to see, क्योंकि ये साइकिक रीडिंग है, इंट्यूटिव रीडिंग है. सो आई एम टैपिंग इनटू दोज जो मेरे साथ रेजोनेट कर रहे हैं, मेरी सोल ट्राइब जो देख रही है. प्लीज़ डू वॉच, ओके. एंड शफलिंग अगर बॉदर करता है तो आप ये टाइम स्टैम्प है, यू कैन डायरेक्टली गो टू द रीडिंग. Someone is like sitting doing a lot of work. Let's see what we need to see. What do we need to see? What do we need to see? Current energies क्या है for the one the reader is watching. Subject के लिए divine masculine, divine feminine energies क्या है? Show me the messages I need to see. So मेरे सारे information description box में, जैसे मैंने कहा, kindly have a look, like and subscribe to the channel. और घंटी ज़रूर दबाइए so that you know when the next reading is uploaded. Okay, Michael Gabriel, show me the message I need to see. If the high is good, the high is good. तुम जो मिल गए हो तो ये लगता है कि जहाँ this song really comes around spirit के थ्रू इस तरह से आता है. सो दिस इज़ अबाउट आई फाउंड यू एंड इट सीम्स आई फाउंड द वर्ल्ड. यू नो, आई फाउंड एवरीथिंग दैट आई so wanted in life. So let's see what are they thinking about you. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull out your energies, then we're going to pull out their energy, and then you're going to take a free spread as to how the जिस भी spirit guide करती है. What do we need to see in regard to the one watching the energy? Ooh, Chariot, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy. More like a Cancer card for me. So someone is in balance, someone is taking control. This is your energy, you're in control. You want to have that balance. This is soulmate energy as well, twin flame energy, yin and yang energy. You're coming around, or maybe you met the right one that you wanted to meet, or you're about to meet. Be ready. जिनके बारे में देख रहे हैं ये रीडिंग, उनकी एनर्जी क्या है. ला ला ला, ला ला ला, ला 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 ला. एक बगिया में मैं ना, I'm sorry, I'm bad with lyrics, but this song is from the movie Sapne, if I'm not wrong, Avara Bhavre. So this is a soulmate energy. As I said, this is a soulmate kind of energy, yin and yang. So most definitely this is a soulmate reading for somebody. Okay, you found the right one, or you're about to meet the one. You're manifesting, you're thinking. What else, what else, what else, spirit guides, my really good. What do we need to see? Yeah, see, with the Two of Wands, you are so waiting. As I said, you're waiting, you're longing. Maybe there's distance between you both. Maybe you really wish to see each other, you wish to be with each other, but you just cannot. Okay, there's a lot of water that I see. Do watch your sun, moon, rising. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, maybe you're dealing with. There's a possibility, but you're really waiting. You wish that you could take, like you could really ride the chariot. आप chariot लेके भाग जाएं, ऐसा लग रहा है. Because someone is in fields, like huge fields. With the Zero and the Fool, what can I ask? Like Two of Wands and Fool, it's like मुझे मौका मिले और मैं भागूँ. That's the kind of energy this spread is giving, that you really want to be out. You really want to be out, be with the person because you are in the fields. Divine feminine energy, masculine too, either way, right? You really want to be with the one. You really want, and I think even the masculine energy really wants to be with you. They're thinking more about it. They're more thinking more passionately about you. What else, Michael? What do we need to see? I'm going to clarify these, okay? I'm going to pull out one more card. And with the Fool, it's like, oh, give me my love. Give me my love. So maybe you're dealing with an Aquarius, you're dealing with a water sign, maybe Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I love doing psychic readings, intuitive readings are fun. And there's so much of spiritual wisdom. You are thinking, you're praying, you're saying, please get it to me. Please bring it to me. Please bring it to me. Please bring it to me. That is the energy of the spread that we have here. 1 second. I'm going to pull a deck. Yeah. So now I'm going to clarify the Chariot, the Six of Cups, the Fool, the Two of Wands, and the Hermit. Let's see. Show me the messages, Michael, that I need to see with the Chariot. This is more like, the person is saying, you know what, I can't stay away from you more. I want to be with you. What should I do? Please suggest. Please suggest. That is the kind of energy I'm getting. Let's see. Show me the message I need to see for the Chariot. Yeah, the Eight of Swords, maybe you're dealing with an air sign. Seven of Cups, water energy. Six of Wands, fire energy. So I think, very simply put, they were blindfolded. They were confused earlier, probably. They were at a crossroad earlier. Maybe it was fear, maybe it was old mindset, old ways of thinking. But now they just can't hold back with this Seven of Cups option card. They just can't. And आ रहे हैं आपकी तरफ, या आप जाना चाहते हैं उनकी तरफ, because essentially this is your energy and you'll be victorious. आपको मालूम है, maybe you're dealing with an Aries, Leos and Sagittarius, Cancer, Pisces energy. Could be an air sign too. With the Six of Cups, this is about the Four of Pentacles, that you're wanting stability. Maybe it was about the commitment, that you wanted a high level of commitment. Maybe the other person was not ready, but now with the Six of Wands, the person is ready. This seems like a feminine energy, right? And they're ready to work on it. So 4 and 7 again, it's 11. So of course, they're coming forward. They really want to make it work with you. So want to make it work with you, because baby, there's love. There is so much love with the Two of Cups. So much of love. With the Two of Wands, I think they just can't wait. Yeah, because they know you are the right one. You are the one who will take them higher and forward. Temperance, again the Sagittarius energy. Maybe you're dealing with a Sagittarius or a Taurus. So they just can't wait. They have to come to you. They have to come forward to you and tell you, you know what, you are the one for me. And you make me feel so good and complete. They're done fighting this with the Five of Swords. They don't want to fight it anymore. They don't just want to fight it anymore, because this is also a 15, this is a 5. So there are 3 5s that I have here. So ideally, big change of mindset with the Eight of Swords here, So yeah, it could be you, that you had it, or could be the one you're thinking about has it. With the Fool, it has struck to them. Tower is not a bad card, okay? Tower is about that they've suddenly realized. होता है ना, झटके से कोई जगा देता है. It's like they've realized that, you know what, this is the one for me. This is the right one for me, and I have to go forward. So it's like चाहे रब रूठे या बाबा, अब तो तुम ही हो टाइप्स. It's that kind of vibe that I don't care for anybody. I just want to be with you. What else with the Fool in the Tower? They've given me the Knight of Cups. So they're saying they're coming to you. They're coming towards you. This is the most warm, the most kind, the most soft night. So it's a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy. So they're definitely coming towards you, or you are going towards them, because this is the exact cup of love that the one was holding. Now you're moving ahead and you're saying, you know what? Ready to give you my cup of love. How interesting, guys. So whenever this happens, let me know. Okay, it looks amazing. Whoever it is coming your way, or you already have one. Don't hold yourself, like, life is so short. But be careful about the one you entertain or the one you are with. Yeah. So with the Page of Cups, I normally don't do reversals. I really don't. This came into reverse. I'm going to take it like upright. Why? Because it is suggestive that you both want the same thing with the Tower. You both were like maybe plagued. So it's like, let's do this. Let's do this. Okay? And I'm sure you're going to do it. You both are doing the thinking. You both are thinking about each other. Yeah. Hermit with the Queen of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Yes, you both are thinking. Rabbit, abundance. Oh boy, Chariot again. Cancer definitely is here playing big time. Sagittarius, big time. Taurus, Virgo, big time. Gemini, yeah. So this is again the same thing. You both want the same thing. You just so want the same thing, and you both want to go forward towards each other, because you both are each other's wish fulfillment. 9 of Cups. Wow. And the Emperor at the bottom of the deck. What else do you need? What else do you need? Such an amazing spread for this divine reading. Amazing reading. You both want this. You just so want this together. Whatever was stuck is going away. You both are coming towards each other. And you both have to be in the full energy, really, to, experience it. And you both are ready now to do that, because that is where it is. Because you both have kind of realized that you both are soulmates, because you both are taking control now, realizing that you can't let this go. You've been waiting, and this has just struck you. Maybe this solar eclipse, or maybe the full moon that happened in Sagittarius. So you are definitely coming together, guys. Okay, so if this resonates, give me a like and subscribe. Even if not, subscribe to the channel और घंटी ज़रूर दबाइए, and help the community grow, guys. That really means a lot. घर पर रहिए, stay safe, stay home. अपने और अपने loved ones का ध्यान रखें, and I shall see you the next time. Until eternity. Bye.